how to throw a powerful lead overhand. To throw a powerful lead overhand, start from a balanced fighting stance. From here, you're going to push off your lead leg, shifting your weight diagonally, at the same time stepping forward with your rear leg and off angle. My lead shoulder is going to dip slightly, so I load. From here, I'm going to throw that lead hand over the top, looping, keeping my elbow bent and striking with my two first knuckles to the target areas. Now, the target areas are going to be the temple, the jawline, and the chin. Striking these target areas, snap the head, shaking the brain, resulting in knockouts.